Now that we have the remote paired with the shower head, it's time to mount the remote in the shower. Keep in mind that you have 32 feet max so that the remote stays paired with the shower head. Mounting the remote, there's two methods. You can do the screws and wall anchors provided, where you have to physically drill into the tile with a 1/4-inch drill bit, or two-sided tape, which is provided as well. In this application, we're going to go ahead and use the two-sided tape. Using the two-sided tape, we have to start with cleaning the wall. Make sure that all impurities are removed. And here we just use a rubbing alcohol. All right, that should be good. The next step is to remove the wall mount from the remote itself. And this is just a bayonet catch, so it's like a 1/4 turn to remove it. Here also, indication of an up. I'll just peel off the film of the two-sided tape. Double check that the arrow is up and go ahead and firmly push it onto your shower wall. Just hold it there for 5-10 seconds to make sure it's on solid. And now just to install your remote, install your set screw. Now that the remote is mounted, we can go ahead and peel off the film. For installing the shower head, we need to install the little filter, and this will collect any debris before it gets into the shower head, so it's kind of important. And then the red fiber washer, and that'll just fall right on top of it, up to the arm. Okay,